y'all. I'll do this the hard way, like back in the day way. I know it's a new way people put on a lace front wig, but you know, I'm old school, so I just do the way I know how. Usually I'm seeing people now like doing like the lace melt and all that with stocking cap. That's too much. So I'm gonna just take my time and do it piece by piece, which this part is ready because you see how tight that glue is. So now but yeah, y'all, I'm more as, I don't know, it changes during the years, but this is the way I know how to do it. You know, taking little pieces and taking my time. And when you take your time, it works just the same. All that stuff melts your lace, does the same. It's so many ways people, put on their laces now. And if you see a lot of hair, like I'm swinging it, that's because I'm cutting the lace. So keep that in mind when you cutting your lace. You are going to see a lot of loose hair. So now we're going to take it off. I want the middle part. So yeah. I love when I go back blonde. It's like, I love it. This is like, you can do it like every once in a while. It's summertime, so I love being blonde. Eventually, I'm going to show you ladies how I tone my blonde wigs. I'm trying to figure out which one I want to tone it with, but I'm going to show you. I think I'm going to keep this yellow blonde for a minute. Probably till I'll figure it out. So I'm about to put some baby hairs in this piece. Last but not least, I'm going to take some of my powder foundation and just dip it into the middle part just a little bit. This is optional, but it just helps it a little bit. Oops, wrong way. Before I had put this wig on, you could have took a big powder brush and smeared it all over the lace of the frontal, but I didn't. So maybe when I take it off, I will go back and do it. So I'm probably, after this video, this is pretty much the final look, but I still have some flyaways. But once I put my like scarf back on and let it sit, we'll be good to go. Yeah, I do like this part right here. So yeah. So are you like, that's why I said frontals can be a lot of work, but the only reason why I will only get a frontal is of this color here, because it do look pretty when you do like have a frontal and then you can pull it up. So I'm gonna do a review on this hair probably next on my channel, so I can just give y'all like the specs of it or whatnot. But TINASHE Hair, come through, honey. The hair is always the bomb, the best. Like, I probably would always get my 613s from this hair company because they never disappoint me whatsoever. So yeah, I just have to like play with it, get it how I want to. Once after a couple days, once you get your frontal and the hair the way you want, it pretty much is a good go. It's just the first day always is a struggle for me trying to get this frontal together. This is 20 inches. So 20 inches for like right here, but I'll give y'all a review on my next video. But if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time. Bye.